The Kamala HQ Twitter account posted a video this past weekend after Donald Trump went out there in public and said, because people got bored, but they don't get bored with me. So Trump went out there and said, people do not get bored with me. And in response to that, the Harris HQ Twitter account put out this video. Take a look.
Because people get bored, but they don't get bored with me.
6.5 hours later.
Lawyers and your carpenters and your electricians and your drivers, and you're doing a lot of things. By the way, no
Beautiful, beautiful F-35 Lightnings.
police is blowing up. Russia's blowing up with Ukraine. There's wars starting all over the place. Looks like bad things could happen. And 89% increase in aggravated assault. And 56 department to go after their political opponent, but they're not doing well. I'm the only, nobody lies like her. She's a liar. She makes up crap. She's the one gonna raise, she said, Donald Trump.
Now, I don't know about you, but that looked like a lot of people who were very, very bored. Yawning, struggling to stay awake, glazed over eyes, just all kind of looking around like they don't want to be there. And that's what Donald Trump brings. He is now the low energy candidate, the thing that he has been blasting President Biden for years now, has come back to be the real problem for Donald Trump. He's boring. And now I have talked about this multiple times, even over just the last few weeks, the fact that Donald Trump does not have the energy to do this anymore. He doesn't even look like he wants to be out there anymore. Honestly, I think if the man hadn't been criminally charged and was trying to get back in office to pardon himself, maybe he wouldn't even be doing this. He definitely doesn't seem like he wants to. He's also, as we all know, ignoring all the advice of the smarter people on how to run his campaign, so he's almost directly sabotaging himself. But it's the low energy. And here's the funnier part. After the Harris HQ account put out this video of all these people yawning throughout Donald Trump's speeches, just bored to tears, his campaign spokesperson, Stephen Chung, went out there, issued a statement to the media saying, quote, just another deceptively edited cheap fake from the Kamala campaign in order to gaslight and deceive voters because they can't run on her disastrous record. The fact is that Comrade Kamala Harris is too much of a coward to debate or even do a proper interview with media or hold a press conference, and has laid out policies that would destroy America. Okay, in addition to that stuff not being true, or honestly even relevant, it doesn't address the fact that Donald Trump is very boring. You have Republican strategists that have gone out there in the media saying that Trump's act is getting stale. You didn't need the Harris HQ account to put this video together of bored Trump supporters. We've all been talking about it for weeks. And even people who support Trump have been talking about it, Stephen Chung. Do you not realize that? Are you so insulated in your little conservative bubble that you don't see what's happening? All this hatred and vitriol that Stephen Chung spits out anytime the media asks him for a quote, you do realize that you're going to struggle to get a job as a political spokesperson for the rest of your life. When this campaign goes down in flames, which it already is, Trump's not just tanking his own political career, he's tanking the political careers of these people who are trying to act just like him. So keep it up, idiots. It's your financial and work future that's on the line here, not mine. I'll still be doing this, and you guys are going to be struggling to scrub any mention of Trump off your resumes and hoping nobody remembers all the idiotic things that you said while you tried to defend this buffoon. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.